How to disable Adblock on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google on your device. In Google, simply click on three dots at the top right and click on Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. After that, you'll find different extensions. And if you have ad blocker turned on, make sure you turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. And if you don't want it anymore, you can also click on remove and remove the extension. After you do that, it will be removed. And if you want it again, you can add it afterwards in the Chrome Web Store. This is how to disable Adblock on Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.